Okay. Welcome back to grade 11 business studies. In this video, we want to look at the topic of business operations, and we're going to look at paper two. So we are going to refer to a past exam paper in terms of the questions in that question paper that we are going to relate to that are in the context of business operations. So this is our paper two, and if we go to our question, you'd see that on the first part of the question, it reads, give two examples of employee benefits, and the question has got two marks. But we know that basically employee benefits, there are a variety of perks that employers offer to their employees. That includes, for example, health insurance. We can also have retirement plans, also part of employee benefits, and also we can have life insurance. So this is what we have in terms of installation of employee benefits. The examples we have them listed here. We can have medical aid fund or the health insurance fund. So this is the first one that we have. On the second part, we have got the pension fund. On the third part, we've got the provident fund. And then next, we have got funeral benefits. And also it can be car allowance, travel allowance, housing allowance, cell phone allowance, and also clothing allowance. So this is what we have in terms of examples of employee benefits that we have. And remember, our question has got 2 marks, and obviously it requires you to raise 2. So you can choose 2 there that are easier for you. Then you go to the next part of the question saying state 3 aspects of employee contract. So we've got a term that is there that we need to understand before you state the aspects of employee control and employee contract. And we are saying this person has got 6 marks. So employee contract, we know that this is a contract used in labor law to attribute rights and responsibilities between partners. And also, we should also know that the contract is between the employee and the employer. So that is what we have. The 2 parties that are involved in an employee contract, we have got the employer and the employee. And now, in terms of the aspects, these are coming as components that we see inside the employee contract. So going down, you'd see that we have got personal details of the employee being there, and also we have got details of the business business or employer. For example, we've got the name or address, and we have got many others that are inside there are representing the details. And also we've got the job title or position is also inside the contract. And then we have got job description, job specification, and date of employment or commencement of employment. So these are the aspects that we have inside an employee contract. The question is what 6 months. Obviously, it requires you to raise at least 3 of those aspects. So we go to the next question. It reads, describe the purpose of induction as a human resource activity. And we also have a term that is there, that is induction. And also, obviously, this is going to be our job induction. And we know that this is the process of welcoming newly recruited employees and supporting them to adjust to their new roles and work environments. You see also that we can try to describe it as the onboarding, describe it as onboarding new employees and providing crucial information to help adjust to their new roles. So we have got purposes of induction as a human resources activity being listed there. So obviously our question has got 8 marks and it requires you to raise at least 4 points there. So the first one is saying the purpose is to introduce new employees to management or colleagues to establish relationships with fellow colleagues at different levels. And then our next purpose is to create opportunities for new employees to experience or explore different departments. Remember, when we are having a new employee, that's when we make that employee to undergo the induction process. So we are trying to familiarize the new employee with our workplace. So this is just the process that we have. So we have listed the first one and the second one, and the third one is saying explain safety regulations and rules so that new employees will understand their role or responsibility in this regard. And the next one, communicate information about the products or services. And next one, allow new employees the opportunity to ask the questions that will put them at ease or reduce insecurity or be it anxiety or fear. So this is what we have. And on last point, we would give new employees a tour or information about the layout of the building or office. So these are the purposes of induction that as we undergo, as the new employee undergo the process of induction, what is the purpose? So these are the purpose that we have, and we are saying the question has got 8 marks and requires you to raise at least point. So this is what we have, guys, according to this video. Let's not forget to subscribe and share. Let's share the link to our colleagues who are doing great 11 business status. Let's stay notified. No more typical examination questions are going to be uploaded on this channel. As for this video, I'm signing out. Let's meet again in the next video.